I'm kind of a freak when it comes to Legos and collecting them. I've been collecting for years and years. Do not judge me. I know my home office is a disaster pretty much all the time, but I want to show you something that's absolutely amazing. It's actually almost magical to me. So this is what the guts of the software and the program look like. Oh, what are you doing? Let's have it do its thing. So we'll put in the cube. This will turn to green after it scans. So right now it's scanning the 6 sides. This thing is reading the red, blue, and green colors. Right, so it's not solving yet. It's scanning, it's taken about 30 seconds. And now it's calculating the moves, as you can see. What's it gonna do? It's got 25 moves. So awesome. What the heck? It's crazy. I love how they made this little guy back here look like a face. He's watching over the whole thing. Do your thing, little guy. You see it's getting really close. I think it's like 3 moves away. Good job, little guy. Yes. Woohoo! Celebrate. Love it. All right. Hey, if you want to leave a little name for my Rubik's Cube solving robot, leave a name down in a comment. Maybe I'll let you know what I named it in the next video. As well as, I'm curious what your fastest time on the Rubik's Cube is. I think this guy solved it in 1:20. So if you can beat that, send me a video to prove it, and man, you will have officially beat my robot. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, hey, here's a cool video here, and subscribe over here.